Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. Whether you watch this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I am glad you're here. Today's kind of a weird unboxing. Amazon's outdone themselves. Won't take a lot of time, but I wanted to share my Instagram with you guys in case y'all are over on Instagram and you want to connect over there. I'm at jevans_knifeact_life. Same handle as over here on YouTube. And I want to take a quick second to thank all the channel members. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you more than you know. And then welcome anybody who might be new to the channel, who likes EDC content, knife content. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. It'd really help me out. Well, this is a weird unboxing, and this is the box it came in. So Amazon basically took the Leatherman box and stuck a label on it and sent it out, which, you know, as often as they waste big boxes, I found this a little excessive. But anyway, this is a Leatherman. Just to give you a little backstory, I'm not into multi-tools, right? I've got this Leatherman Skeletal that I picked up just for the bit driver and the pliers. And then I picked up, what I'm into is the bit kit. So I've got the little double bit kit here. And then I've got a little ratchet that attaches to where the bits go in to give me a little extra torque. So I keep that in my bug out bag with, up till now, my Skeletal. But I heard about this Leatherman from all people, our buddy Lefty EDC, and the unboxing or Leathermanning knife is going to be the Nimble T that also was unboxed earlier today, that I love very much. So let's get into this and see what we've got. The Leatherman, if I'm not mistaken, is made in Oregon. It's a USA made multi-tool. This is the Leatherman Charge Plus. It's got some instructions there. It's got a little Molle type of thing if you wanted to carry it on your belt, which I don't think I will. It also comes with a little bit kit. And that's just kind of an abbreviated bit kit. And it also comes with this pocket clip, which I will probably install on it to use. And it comes with this little lanyard ring. This installs just like the pocket clip does, but it allows you to instead attach a lanyard to the Leatherman as opposed to the clip. So, or you can use the belt thing, or there are all kinds of different cases you can get for Leathermans. But this is, again, the Charge Plus. Looks like it's a little funkified. We'll check it out when we get in there a little closer. Let's box all this back up. And I did not get the Leatherman tie right after I ordered it. I had a little bit of buyer's remorse. This is the G10 version in black. The Leatherman tie has titanium scales, and it is in more of a stainless, but I like the black. I like the black handles. Got a ruler here on the side. It's got a lot of little tools on the side. It's got the bit driver, which is the most important to me. I really like the bit driver. It locks in place. These bits pull out. I can also use my bit bar if I really want to get in there. Once I get it set in and get some torque on that screw. So it's got the driver that locks. It has, let's see, what else we got here? It's like a little can opener with a nail neck. Why is it not wanting to come out? Maybe I need to. There it is. Little can opener that locks. And back here, unlock it. And then on the other side, we have little scissors. Stoked to see those. Got a lock in the back here. And then we have our flathead screwdriver and our eyeglass screwdriver that accepts replacement bits. So you've got those tools on the inside. You've got these replaceable wire cutters, really nice needle nose pliers, feels really good in the hand. On the outside, you have got a 440C blade. It's got a liner lock. You've got, I believe, this file that also locks in place. You have got this saw. It's very serrated for cutting rope and stuff, and a little gut hook, rope hook. And then you've got this wood saw. So again, I have a feeling that this is going to be taking the place of my Leatherman Skeletal. I just need to get into it and figure out the best way to mount my clip and go from there. But we'll do that. And till then, guys, I hope you found this somewhat informative. I didn't ever think I'd get into the multi-tool game. But you know, we do what we do. So I've got my Skeletal now that I can keep in one of my bug out bags. It's got both the straight and the serrated blade. It's a little bit more minimalistic. It's just got the bit driver, the wire clippers, the pliers. Doesn't have the changeable wire strippers, but it's a good little lightweight bit driver, right? So this is, again, the Leatherman Charge Plus in G10 and in black. I will figure out, I think what happens is, I know I take one of these out, or that clip mounts behind one of those. I'll figure it out and get the clip on there, guys, and then we'll use it. It's a good bit heavier than the Skeletal, but not by a lot. And if I put it in this little Velcro pouch, I probably wouldn't even notice it on my belt. But guys, that's the Leatherman Charge Plus, proudly made in Oregon. And this is just an unboxing. I'll carry it for a while, give you guys kind of some final thoughts down the road. But I appreciate you guys sticking with me. I appreciate all the channel members. I appreciate all of you that take the time to subscribe, and I appreciate all of you that just take the time to come by and watch a video or two. Please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.